Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. You can see the base dimension 105, 75, thickness is 15 mm. Select new. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Millimeters, unit, model. You can change the name here and also location also. I will go with as it is. Select Extrude, select the plane, create one rectangle first, give the dimension 105, enter, 75 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm. Press the middle mouse button for exit. Next there is a one more flange. For that select extrude, select this surface, create one 2-point rectangle, give the dimension, this is 12 mm. So finish sketch, extrude up to 55 mm. Here select the unite. Okay. Next there is a fillet. For that select edge blend. Dimension we require 37.5. Select this edge. Okay. Next the rectangle dimension is 50 by 32. For that select extrude, select this edge, create one rectangle, enter, .32 mm. Create one circle, .30 mm. Select here quick trim, trim these lines. Select here geometric constraints, vertical alignment, select this, press middle mouse button, select this edge. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Length we required 42 mm, reverse the direction, 42. Okay. Next you can see there is a 12 mm thickness rib is there. For that select extrude, select this edge, line, close the line. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, reverse the direction, thickness we want 12 mm. Okay. Next there is a one cutout. Select extrude, select this edge, create one circle first, diameter 15, this dimension is 20, this is 30 plus 7.5. Select line, select line, same line create this side also. So we can give the constraints, trim this line. Here select geometric constraints, vertical, select this and this, same this and this. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish. Here select subtract, reverse the direction. Here we can select until next. Okay. Press end button for the ISO view. We can assign the material here. Tools, material, assign material. So there are all standard materials, you can assign as per your requirements. I will assign aluminum 6061. This material is standard materials for aluminum. Select the entire body. Okay. Next, go to menu, select edit, go to object display, select entire body. Okay. Here select color. So we can change the color here. So like this we can change the color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. If you required any drawing support, you can leave the comment below. Thanks for watching this session, and we'll see you in the next session.